Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into the world of gallery wall photo frames ideas in 2025 ***, the trend that's transforming plain walls into personal art galleries. Glowing star. A gallery wall is more than just hanging photos, it's about creating a story that reflects your style, personality, and memories. In 2025, the trend is all about minimalist frames, modern layouts, and creative arrangements that bring warmth and sophistication to any room. Whether it's your living room, bedroom, or hallway, gallery walls are the ultimate way to make a space feel alive. One of the biggest trends this year is mixing frame sizes from tiny square frames to oversized rectangles, creating a balanced yet eye-catching pattern. Pair them in symmetrical rows for a neat, clean look, or go asymmetrical for a playful and modern vibe. Another stylish idea is the use of monochrome frames, black, white, or wooden textures, giving your wall a uniform and elegant feel. For those who love a pop of creativity, colorful frames are also making a comeback, blending with wallpapers or painted accent walls. 2025 also introduces the concept of **3D gallery walls ** with floating shelves and layered frames, where photos, artwork, and even decor items combine to form a statement wall. The beauty of gallery walls is that they evolve with you. You can keep adding new memories, rearranging frames, and experimenting with designs. It's personal, timeless, and always on trend. So, if you're looking for fresh inspiration, these gallery wall ideas in 2025 will help you transform any wall into a masterpiece. Sparkles.